Hello YouTube, this is Daily Reviews here again with another review. I want to jump straight into it now because I've been reviewing all day. Amazon delivered and I picked it up today. Another motorcycle boot. I bought some new motorcycle shoes that has a device that ties it by itself, the laces by itself, so you don't have to, work as hard. So let's see what's inside. Okay. So the motorcycle shoes that I picked up today are called the SHIMA Edge Vented Motorcycle Shoes for Men. It has reinforced street riding shoes with ATOP closure system and ankle support and anti-slip sole and pad. Basically, it's a good sneaker. A good shoe. It's a vented motorcycle shoe. This is the packaging right here. We are glad we finally met, living same passion for ride. No matter what engine beats between the legs, it all makes us one nation. Our mission is simply to make you enjoy every ride while keeping you protected. Pretty simple. And here it is. Oh wait, there's a little manual. Congratulations on good purchase. And here it is. I've been needing to get some new shoes for a while now, but because my old motorcycle shoes didn't break, I did that in another review. I kept those old boots, motorcycle shoes, for a while because it's not broke, don't fix it, you know what I'm saying? How it looks. Damn. Looks like a fighter jet sneaker. Wow. That's pretty cool. Let's see what that says. SHIMA, ATOP. Loose, tight, stop. Oh. Okay. So, let's see what it's like. Fiddle around with it. Matter of fact, let's start with the... So let's see how this device works. This loose device. So that's how it works. Okay, so when you're loosening it, you don't have to do it all the way. You can just press it once and it'll, like Marty McFly shoes, it'll loosen up. So, let's try it. I should be wearing my socks, but I don't feel like getting my socks right now, so I'm just gonna put it on and show you. Oh, it feels nice and comfortable. Wow, that feels very comfortable. More comfortable than my old sneakers, my old motorcycle shoes. Tighten it. Wow. Now that's nice. That's really nice. What's surprising about this, these motorcycle shoes, this is very comfortable. Feels like Alcantara pillows in my on my foot. Wow. I'm actually really satisfied with this purchase. And just it keeps getting tighter and tighter. It's really good when you're on the road and you have something like this. Or you visit your friend's house, like multiple friends' houses, and you're stopping and going and you need to take off your shoes and on. It looks like Jordans. Oh man. And these motorcycle shoes cost $129. Motorcycle shoes cost $130. It costs $130, and I think they are well worth their money because so yeah, when you're loosening it, all you gotta do is cook it one time. And my feet smells good. So yeah, it's a pretty good purchase. These sneakers did cost $130. They are ventilated shoes, so you can breathe through them. They have waterproof edition shoes too. This has some waterproof textures on it, but it's not fully waterproof. It's vented so you could breathe, if your feet could breathe at high speed riding. You see it for itself. You could definitely wear this as regular sneakers, and for style, I would definitely recommend that. And it is lightweight, so you could walk at a lot of places with this. It's a very, very nice design. Looks like an alien sneakers. Looks like alien shoes. And the brand name is SHIMA. So yeah. And if you do buy these sneakers, do not, when you're loosening it, you're not supposed to make it click when you loosen it. You're supposed to press it once like this, and then it will loosen up. You don't continue to hold it backwards because it will break. I was trying to push it backwards to loosen it, like hear it click, loosen it, and it wasn't even going. I'm like, why is it not going? Because you don't need to do it. So tight. Oh, you want to take it off? Loose. That's it. No more turning. Just one turn. That's it. And the whole sneaker, the whole motorcycle shoe is loose. I'm gonna keep that on there for now. Wow.